Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can rearrange pages in Canva. Now in this demonstration I have this presentation in Canva and I want to move this slide into a different location in my whole presentation. So this is the first slide, and one way to move this slide to a different location is by using this feature that you can see on the top section of your canvas. Now if I press this button, it will move down the document or the slide one page, and if I click it again, it will do the same thing. And of course, if you want to go up, you can click the move up button, and so the process is like that. But this is not fast enough, especially if you have a very long document or if you have a document with a lot of pages. And so I highly recommend using the thumbnail view right here. Just click thumbnail view and you will see this thumbnail view section at the bottom that allows you to click and then drag a slide or a page into a different location. This is a lot more faster than the previous method, but there is also another method that is even faster than this, especially if you have even more pages or slides in your Canva document. And that is called grid view. It is located next to the button that you clicked before. Just click grid view right here, and this will show you a bird's eye view of your entire document. And in order to move one page to another, just click on that page and then drag it somewhere else. If I put it right here, it will be placed right here between the slide number 9 and number 11. And the process is very simple. The rest of the slides will be adjusted automatically. And if you want to go back, you can always click the grid view and you can go back on the slide and doing the editing after you arrange the pages. And so that's how you can rearrange pages in Canva. There are 3 methods that you can try, and hopefully one of them will help you. In any case, if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.